This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we have a Wolf oven and stove that is a little bit off balance, so we're going to be adjusting its legs. We can see that it's leaning to the right a little bit, so the right side in the front we have to adjust the leg and bring it up just slightly, probably about an inch, to get this level nice and straight. And if you don't have it level, you know, when you're frying eggs and stuff, everything goes to one side of the frying pan, so it's better if it's level. And it's pretty easy to do. Just need adjustable pliers, like slip joint pliers. Channel locks would be great. And I'm going to do a little bit by hand here just to get it started. So I'm going to keep checking the level as I do it. So I'm turning it. If you look at it from the top, it would be going clockwise and turning it to the left. What that does, this is the lower part of the leg. It pushes the lower part of the leg away from the upper part of the leg, and that makes it go up. And as the right side goes up, it's becoming more level. So you could do some of that by hand, but it's a pretty heavy machine. So at some point it's probably good to use the channel locks to make it easier. I'm just going to put this front panel back on. It just come loose. It's easy to put on though. You just put it in high up toward the top and just let it sit down. So we're checking it. It's getting closer to level. Still got to go a little higher. So I'm going to grab it with the channel locks. I'm going to turn again toward my left, which would be clockwise, looking at it from the top. And again, that brings the lower leg further down, which lifts up the stove. And then if you had to adjust it opposite, it's just simple. You just reverse everything. You would be going to your right. You'd be going counterclockwise. And that would turn the lower part of the leg up into the upper part, and that would bring the right corner back down. But in this case, we have to bring the corner up. Channel locks are pretty good. As you apply pressure, they grip tighter around a round surface. So it should be a pretty good tool for doing this. If you had somebody really strong to lift the stove, you could twist it by hand while they're lifting, but that's pretty hard to do. It's probably safer just to use some channel locks with long handles, because it gives you more leverage. So these are great commercial grade type stoves and ovens that'll last you a lifetime. And sometimes when you move them, you have to get them adjusted to a new floor. So that's what we're doing here. The longer the level is that you're using, the better result you would get, because it gives you a better indication of if it's getting level. In the back, this customer, what they had done for their back legs is it's on wheels, so they had just put the wheels up on some wood to get the backside level. Yeah, we're getting almost perfect now. We're right in the middle. That's good. So this kind of operation just take you a few minutes, easy to do. You'll have a nice level stove. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance.